Hello guys, welcome to a new tutorial where I'll be showing you guys how to configure a SocksIP internet file. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use HTTP injector. I'm going to use HTTP injector to create a custom internet connection so that you enable me to update the server on SocksIP, because I don't have any internet connection. As you have here, there's connection mark. I'm unable by movement. I don't have any internet connection. So I'll go to HTTP injector. Now click on the start button. Clear the storage and cache to a SocksIP file. Anytime you want to create a new file, you have to clear so that the application will go back to its initial state. So that now open. So now you have to go and click on the setting, this parameter button. Click on here and you tap on single name. You choose any of these ports. Those are the three ports that will best. That will be for the after that, now click on the crown button. Wait for it to do. Okay, on this server list, there are some servers that I have noticed they won't best, like this US for France, Amsterdam. If I have to go to 200, they won't best, and this USSD. So for this video, I'll just do it on Instagram and approve the bonus. Now the server is started. What you need now is a payload. And the payload I gave it, I used the very payload I gave during the HTTP tutorial. If you see a link in the description to the video. In that video, you see a link where I will give the payload I will use here. So for that payload, I'm going to save. So I'm going to come and disconnect everything. Now click on start button.
Reasons why you should download Tango today.
Let's try if it's okay.
Impress your friends and family, full Christmas edition. What we're gonna do is play 3, 2, 3, 1, like this. Okay.
So now you can watch any video you want here. You can see this one is fast. So everything is fine. Now you go, if you want to share your file, you go back to
Effortless connections. Tango.
go back to the app, stop the VPN, stop, click on these three dots, click on import/export, then you click on export, put the file name, and put over there streaming, customer streaming on. So after that, okay, when you come here, it's very important, make sure you block all your filters so that you can take a payload. The payload, I'm going to give you guys payload, but those who want more other payloads can contact me. So I'm going to give one payload for free, and when you lock it, you make sure you enable file exploration, so that because the payload is illimited, so if you don't limit it, somebody might just take a file and keep on updating the server and continue enjoying a free internet connection. So make sure you block all and then you enable file exploration. For this file, I can give it a week, or I can give it just 2 days. For every 1 day, I'm going to give it 2 days. Yeah. So now that will be off. Now you can put a message so that anyone using a file can see the message. So you can make us a message. Now export. Okay. So that's all for the tutorial today. So don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.